The K Train, a line of many purposes. The designation was first used starting in 1968, a year after the Chrystie Street connection was opened. First run on July 1st, 1968, the Double K, without the third letter, ran between Jamaica 168th Street and 57th Street 6th Avenue. This was the only service to serve 57th Street 6th Avenue during rush hours, while the B served the station during off-peak hours. The K ran both skip-stop and local services along the BMT Jamaica line during its years of operation. It was discontinued on August 30th, 1976. Now that we're done talking about the boring K train, let's actually get into the video. The real K line, the 8th Avenue Local, was first introduced into service on May 6, 1985. Well, technically it was implemented on September 10, 1932 with the opening of the IND 8th Avenue line. It was designated the Double A and ran between 168th Street and Upper Manhattan to Hudson Terminal, now World Trade Center. During late nights when the A line didn't run, the Double A was extended to Inwood as a full 8th Avenue local. The line continued to be designated as the Double A until May 6, 1985, when the Transit Authority eliminated the double letters. It was renamed the K and operated as such until December 11, 1988, when it was replaced by the C train. I find it interesting how the K used to terminate at World Trade Center, and the A and, well, E trains used to run through to like Rockaway Park and all of that, even though it's technically the same complex. You know, World Trade Center is a very interesting station that I think we can talk about in a future Mystical Stations video. Anyways, the K train has never returned since, unless you count rerouted E trains as Ks, although there are some who've proposed it as part of their de-interlining plans. I know this was a very short video, but there just wasn't much to talk about with the K train. Plus, I'm trying out a new format of historical videos on the channel. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and consider supporting me via channel memberships, Patreon, or Super Thanks. Thanks to Stuart Guberman for joining the channel at the train operator tier.